This is a blow job. Now you can take a proper look of the body of this Toyota Hilux 2007 to 2022. Everything is tested. Look at the body, the rim. Look at the fancy on the body of the vehicle, the door. Here's the interior. Everything perfect. We do something like this for you. You will never regret of ever contacting Derek Motors. Remain blessed.
Are you looking for a place to upgrade your vehicle? Or you're looking for a company who can convert your vehicle for you? This is a normal Toyota Hilux 2007 model. If you know a Toyota Hilux or you don't know it, go and Google it. 2007 converted to 2022 Toyota Hilux. Can you see the lights? I don't show you yet. Derek Motors is the most trusted and verified tested vehicle company that can convert or swap your vehicle for you. This is a complete conversion of this vehicle. Can you see it? Can you see the fog lights? Can you see it? Can you see the rim? Take a look at this fender. Man, this is sport edition of it. Can you see it? This is sport edition of it. 2022. Look at the side mirror of 2022 Toyota Hilux worth over roughly 20 million euro. Look at how we do inside. Can you see the material? Look at the steering, the interior. The rim 2007 Hilux converted to 2022. The rim. Then if I tint this vehicle, not even tint, when looking at this vehicle, you must be convinced that this vehicle is 2022 Toyota Hilux. You must be convinced because this is exactly what it is. With Android system in it. See the seat. The seat is properly sold by verified upholstery. Take a look at it. 2007 to 2022. This is the most tested upgrade ever. This is the mad part of this upgrade. Take a look at the back side of it. I want to take a look at this back side, this back fender of it. Can you see how proof it is? They work on it. This is the beauty of this upgrade of 2022. The beauty is hard well. Here's the trunk. Backlights.
Bros, this business man.
Off the headlamp. Now look at it. So why do you worry about a company that can upgrade your vehicle for you?
pè lónìí? Kí la fi ń pè lónìí? Kí la fi ń pè lónìí? Mo ti gbọ́, ìjọ tí kò ní máa dálẹ̀. Bèrè ọwọ́ kí èrè mi, mo ti gbọ́ tiẹ̀. Mo ti kí la fi bèrè ọwọ́ tọ́pù máa kó o pò. Kí la fi ń pè lónìí? Pápá owó ni èmi. Táwọn àjọ sọ pé tẹ́tí wọ́n bá gbà mú nígbà yìí. Àwọn ọmọ yẹn kí wọ́n bá lè kú nígbà àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ máa ṣe lẹ́yìn àrẹ̀. Alẹ́ mi ò ti dáwọ́. Owó oṣù tó bá gbà mí yóò fà yọ. Yóò tún wá yá mi. Bọ́ọ̀lù ló ń sí i. Bọ́ọ̀lù